Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Here are 9 ways to earn money from Acorns. 1. Roundup Investments. The primary way to earn money with Acorns is through Roundup Investments. As you make everyday purchases with linked cards and accounts, Acorns automatically rounds up each transaction and invests the spare change in your chosen portfolio. 2. Recurring deposits. You can set up recurring deposits to contribute a fixed amount of money regularly to your Acorns account. This allows you to grow your investments systematically. 3. Cashback rewards. Acorns offers a found money feature that allows you to earn cashback rewards on eligible purchases when you shop with partner brands through the app. The cashback rewards are automatically invested in your account. 4. Invite friends. Acorns has a referral program that allows you to invite friends to join the platform. When your referrals sign up and make their first investment, both you and your friend may receive a referral bonus. 5. Roundup Multiplier. Acorns offers a Roundup Multiplier feature that allows you to increase the Roundup amount. You can choose to double or multiply your Roundup investments to accelerate your savings. 6. Found money partnerships. Acorns partners with various companies and brands to offer exclusive cashback rewards when you shop with them through the app. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to earn extra money. 7. Portfolio performance. Your investment portfolio on Acorns can grow over time based on the performance of the underlying assets. As your investments appreciate, your account balance increases. 8. Tax benefits. Depending on your country and tax regulations, you may be eligible for tax benefits associated with certain investment accounts, such as IRAs, individual retirement accounts. Consult a tax professional for guidance. 9. Educational content. Acorns provides educational content and articles on personal finance and investing. By learning more about money management, you can make informed decisions to grow your wealth. Acorns aims to make investing and saving accessible to users of all income levels, helping them build wealth over time. Keep in mind that all investments carry some level of risk, and it's important to choose an investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.